Today, we're gonna make delicious brownies. And the ingredients we have is 2 brown eggs, a red bowl, chocolate chip, and a melted butter, and brownie mix, and half milk, and a tablespoon, and electric mixer. And we'll start. Cook it and mix, and then milk. I actually go like this actually.
Rip it open.
So I'll rip it open. It's kind of hard. So you have to use your muscles. It's not brown. Eat chocolate. I think I don't know how to open it.
Good.
Far off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells good, doesn't it?
I got the paper towel.
Green, the powder?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Now it's the electric mixer and mix it together! Option number 1. Mix slow. I smell it better. Please mix it. Very easy and mac and cheesy. So easy cheesy. Mac and cheesy. Ooh, look at this. They're getting easy. It tastes like ice cream.
You like ice cream?
It's almost done, Dad. Tastes so good.
You think it's ready?
Ready. Now we have a pan and wax paper. Now we have to put butter on the pan. Let's start. Start, Dad.
Yeah, wipe it.
Now it's time to pour it. Whoa. Ready?
You gotta scoop it.
That is too hard.
Here, I'll hold it. You scoop it, Oh, fudgy.
have a rectangle or square, so we do circles.
Mm-hmm.
That's what they will work too.
Mm-hmm.
It's loud. Now we're gonna shake it evenly. Next, we have to put chocolate chip on it. Yeah, that much. Sprinkles. Sprinkles.
How many sprinkles do you need?
A lot. Finished.
Okay.
This is so delicious. I love it. Now you have to set your oven for 350 degrees and bake for 50 minutes.
Let's do it.
And now we have to cool it down, and then we put ice cream, chocolate, like chocolate chip, ice cream, chocolate chip, ice cream, chocolate chip, ice cream, chocolate chip. Now it's done, and now we will chop it up and put some ice cream. Now it's all finished.
Right, let's get them on the plate.
I'll have a small one.
Is it good? Nice. Yum. Ready for some ice cream? Okay.
This could be the trying one. It's ice cream.
Okay. What's it time for?
Opening it.
Chocolate ice cream.
Scoop it out.
On
Now
this one.
put
On
it
this one.
on the plate.
Nice.
Oh,
Oops.
I missed it.
A nice big scoop.
I missed it.
Another one.
I'll have an ice cream sundae. Today is ice cream sundae today. This is the day we eat sundaes.
Is that good? Not perfect?
Then we have to squish it down. Gently and gently. Much more density.
Yeah.
Can we eat it?
Okay. Let's taste it.
Mmm. Mmm. So good.
1 to 10. Is it a super yummy, yummy, yummy good 10? Nice.
This is the best ice cream sundae I ever taste.
That makes me want to eat it too.
Like and subscribe and thumbs up. Bye. They're so good. I'm trying to make some of these delicious brownies with ice cream chocolate. And thumbs up! Do like Eggy do, please. And ice creams. Cheers. Mm, mm, mm.